Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In front of you right now, Epson L382 printer. The issues with this printer is not printing black and yellow color. The ink is inside sublimation. Today we will manually disassemble the printhead and we'll clean it and we'll see how to fix if any one color is not printing fine and you already did the ink flush process or electronic cleaning. So how can you clean manually? I will teach you today. Will teach you how to disassemble the printhead. Okay, first of all, no need to open everything, just we will open like this. I will open the screw with the help of star screwdriver and keep screw aside and then this plastic cover and then this plastic over here. Pull this plastic and it will come out fine. Black and yellow. This is yellow and this is black. We will check from here. Yes, this is yellow and this is black. This is cyan. This is magenta. This is magenta. This is cyan. These two are not working fine. Okay, now I will remove the cartridge like this. There's a lock behind. Move the cartridge outside. Remove all cartridges because we cannot remove only two. Fine, remove these pipes from here and come out. Suck in with the help of injection and see the ink is rotating in the pipes or not. I need cinch. Yes, pipes are working. No issue with the pipes. Ink can. Now I will suck the yellow one and we'll see. Yes, no issue with that all. Now we will remove this printhead. For this we need to unlock. Okay, here is one lock. To move this side cover, there is one lock behind. With the help of I used my nail, but you can use flat screwdriver also, because we have to remove the cable from here. There is a cable right behind here, cable. The head is getting. Now there are two locks right on the right and left to pull this plastic, white plastic up. One is on the left side. Okay, here we go. Okay, this plastic came outside. Now there are 3 screws inside to remove the head. And 2 screws in the back, one is here. Yeah. These are 3 screws. Now we will pull the print head outside like this. This is our print head. And now I will do what to make sure that these two is not working, black and yellow. So we have to fill the water. First of all, if you have alcohol, you can get from medical pharmacy, is fine. I don't have right now, so I will try to unclog it with the water to see is it. Because the black is not printing at all. Fine. We'll keep one paper down to not get dirty my table. Okay, look, ink is coming, and you can see it's unclogged almost. Same way we will do for yellow. Take some water. Okay viewers, we cleaned it well and I tried to unclog the nozzles. So we will try once more with the help of ink flush process. We have to now put it back. We will assemble it back in the printer, and then we will check again. Hopefully it will work. So now follow these steps if you want to place back these all things that we moved today. First of all, we will insert it like this. Okay. Okay, this ink head has been replaced back. Okay friends, this was the way to clean the printhead. Hopefully you know how to disassemble this printhead and how to fix it back with the cleaning. This ink was inside was supplement, so that's why it didn't clean well. but if you're using normal ink that came with the printer, so you can clean it easily. The main reason to make the video was to show you how to disassemble this printhead and how to clean it, which equipment should you need. And in the end, thank you for watching. If you have any question regarding this Epson L382 printer, you can ask me in the comments. Take care, bye.